Okay, today we're going to be testing Underwood ammunition. This is their 180 grain jacketed hollow point. I want to thank Mr. GLOCK for taking advantage of an offer I made probably 7-8 months ago in one of my videos. Anybody who comes across a box of 10mm ammo that I have not tested yet, I have a case of this Remington UMC 180 grain. You send me in a box of ammo I haven't tested, and I'll send you a box of this ammo. Okay, so let's get a little better look at the bullet here. I've heard good things about this from a few people, so it should shoot pretty hot. Let's see how it does. Okay, this is the updated list. I believe there's now 45 different rounds listed on here. This is the top half of the list. You'll probably need to watch this in high definition, or at least 480 to read this. I'm going to scroll down now. Like I said, this is the top of the list, and that's not what I wanted to do. Get back over there. Okay, that's the top of the list, and there we go. There's the bottom part of the list. Okay, so there you go. Find out what ammo you're shooting. You can find it here on this list, and you can see how it performs against the other ammo out there. And one last time, I'll scroll back up to the top, and I do have this as an Excel file. If you need this updated list, let me know and I can email it to you. And that's it. Thanks a lot.